Hi, I'm Dakshamurthy. In this video, I'm showing you that men's wardrobe collections. In this video, I'm going to list the best men's wardrobe collection shirts, right? I'm going to list the top 5 shirts for everyone needs in his wardrobe. So let's get in the video. Guys, here is our first shirt on our list. It's a printer shirt, guys. You know that, guys, printer shirt is one of the best shirt for the every man in his wardrobe because it just makes you so casual. It just makes you so good, guys. That's why I'm saying that this wardrobe shirts is, so these lists are very good. So here's the first list in our wardrobe collection. It's an printed shirt, guys. You just need to wear that floral printed shirt or an animal printed shirt. It just makes you so cool and it also makes you so stylish. So if you like to refresh your wardrobe, this is the best time to refresh your wardrobe, guys, because Amazon gives us their good offers for this thing. Okay, Amazon launches the new wardrobe refresh sale offers. Okay, it just starts from December 9 to December 14. In this time, you just order these dresses and just get this massive amount of discounts. Okay, I brought these shirts from this Amazon. Okay, guys, because this shirt is very good. I just brought this from Amazon, and the thing is, if you like to buy this shirt, just use my special link here on the description. Just click it and buy these dresses, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm just says that these printer shirts are very good for your wardrobe, guys. So it's one of the first and best essential shirt for every man in his wardrobe, guys. Let's move on the next dress in our list, guys. Okay, guys, here's our next dress in our list. It's a denim shirt. Okay, it's one of the best shirts for every man's wardrobe. That's why I'm gonna choose this shirt. Okay, I'm saying that this shirt is one of the important shirt for every man's wardrobe because it just makes you so stylish. If you like to go for the casuals and just wear this denim shirt with the denim pant, so it just makes you so good and so cool. And these fabrics are so good. That's why I'm gonna say that thing. This shirt is one of the good shirt for every man's essentials. So let's say that think about the shirts, guys. Okay, guys, this is one of the very good fabric. You see that it's so buttery soft. That's why I'm saying that thing. This shirt is very good. I just brought this shirt from Amazon. If you like to buy this shirt, I just put this product link here in my description. This shirt comes with you in a 50% offer. So that's the thing, is the best thing about this shirt. Okay, guys, the shirt is around 100 to 800 rupees. So already says that thing. Amazon is one of the best place to buy your clothing, right? That's what I'm gonna say is that thing. Okay, if you like to buy this shirt, just click this description, guys, and buy it, guys. So let's move on to the next shirt in our list, and this is one of the best shirt for your wardrobe, guys. That's a denim shirts. Okay, let's move on to the next shirt, guys. Here is our next shirt on our list. It's a brown shirt. Of course, guys, the brown shirt is one of the important essentials for your every man's wardrobe. Okay, it just makes you so stylish and also makes you so good because we just gotta wear this brown shirt with blazers. Okay, that was a great thing, and it just makes you so. You just use this brown shirt for the formals and also the casuals. That's why I'm gonna say is that this shirt is sort of the important thing for our essential wardrobes. So guys, so that's why I'm gonna say this. I brought these dresses from Amazon. Just gives you a massive discount. So if you like to buy this shirt, just click this description and buy this dress, guys. Okay, guys, Amazon gives a massive discounts for your clothing, just provides you the best clothing in this market. So now Amazon has a new sales offers, guys. You know that works that it's a wardrobe refresh sale, guys. This sale gives us a very good and quality dresses, and it's the best time to refresh your wardrobe, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm already says that Amazon starts this new Amazon wardrobe refresh sale. It just starts from December 9. Okay, so just go and check this Amazon and buy these dresses, guys. For your first order, you get a 20% cashback plus and a free delivery. So that's the very good thing about Amazon. It's one of the best clothing. You just buy this best clothing from Amazon. It's one of the best place. So just go and check this Amazon wardrobe refresh sale, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next dress in our list. Okay, guys, here's our next shirt in our list. It's a t-shirt, guys. I'm says that t-shirt. Yeah, t-shirt is one of the essential for a man's wardrobe. And you just need to have a t-shirt for your wardrobe, because if you have a t-shirt in your wardrobe that was good for your outfits, it just makes you so stylish. So here I'm here. This is a blue t-shirt. You know that if you like to buy this blue t-shirt, yeah, because the blue t-shirt is good for your every dress combinations. Just add it with your combination dresses. Okay, if you have a blue t-shirt, you just add it with your white blazers or your brown jackets. It just belongs to you, because I'm just saying that the styles is up to you, guys. I'm gonna give you a good suggestions, because this is the thing about this blue t-shirt. If you like to buy this t-shirt, you just go and check this product link here on my description. I just put this product link here on my description, guys. Okay, guys, so the blue t-shirt is one of the essential for your wardrobe, so go and check it and buy this, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next dress on our list. Guys, here's our next dress in our wardrobe essentials. Okay, it's an olive green t-shirt. Yeah, it's another t-shirt in our list, guys. I'm going to say that thing. So the t-shirt is also makes it so stylish, so that's why I'm gonna add this thing in your wardrobe. You just need it in a shirt and t-shirt, so that's why I'm gonna make this video. So here is this olive green t-shirt, guys. That olive green t-shirt, yeah, it just makes you so stylish, so that's why I'm gonna use this as t-shirt. Yeah, this t-shirt is very good fabrics and it has a quality, so I just brought this t-shirt from Amazon. It just gives you a 50% offer for this t-shirt. Yeah, if you like to buy these products, I just put this product link here in my description. You just need to check this Amazon wardrobe refresh sale. Okay, just go and check it out, guys, and it just gives a good offers, and you get a 20% cashback for your first order and free delivery, guys. Okay, guys, so I know that, guys, you enjoy these videos. For more videos, to subscribe our channel, guys, and see you in the next video.